Breaking news today in South Sudan. Bentui SPIPF leadership, IG President Kiir Mayardit. General Matthew Poljangtop is back in Bentiu, but not as a lieutenant general as earlier reported. He returned as a major general, exposing what now appears to have been a fake promotion and reassignment. Sources reveal the so-called promotion was a calculated lie by certain individuals who are working behind the scenes to discredit and remove Governor Riek Bim Top from office. Their plan? To prevent Poljang from going to Juba, hoping that tensions would explode into conflict and unity state. Fortunately, their plan failed. But this raises serious questions. Who is behind the misinformation? Why are people so desperate to destabilize unity state leadership? Stay alert. The truth always finds its way out. Hashtag Unity State North Vision TV. Please subscribe my YouTube channel now please.
Ngoro mi jam mi jinu ka channel subscribe ko bitungwan kula jagi ngoro subscribe ya tamal